Front tires barely holding air. Surface corrosion spreading under the paint edge. Heavy contamination across the intake area. Interior surfaces heavily deteriorated. Rear undertray heavily corroded.
Rear structural corrosion visible near suspension mounts. Front fascia separated from primary mounts. Engine compartment fully accessible now.
Connector routing marked before removal.
Surface oxidation present beneath seam overlap. Lower panel section marked for replacement.
Rust treatment applied to exposed floor sections.
Panel alignment consistent across repair seam.
Mounting surfaces prepared for reinforcement. Original bushings fully deteriorated.
Engine secured for full disassembly. Accessory drive components removed in sequence.
Cylinder wear within inspection range. Transmission housing ready for cleaning and inspection.
New coolant and vacuum lines routed to original paths.
Minor surface variation corrected before paint.
Front and rear geometry within alignment specification.
Mechanical assemblies prepared for installation. Chassis positioned for controlled reassembly.
Mounting hardware torqued to specification.
Front suspension arm aligned and secured.
Engine aligned with rear mounting points.
Rear engine mounts fully seated. Cooling system lines secured to factory routing. Harness routing matched to factory layout. Fuel connections sealed and secured. Front suspension assembly aligned to mounting points.
Brake assembly torqued to specification.
Rear undertray aligned and secured.
Panel seam alignment holding consistent.
Steering travels smooth through full range.
Exhaust alignment centered within rear mounts.
Engine bay assembly nearing completion.
Body masked for primer application.
Primer coat applied evenly across repaired sections.
Base coat applied in controlled passes.
Coating coverage uniform across large panels.
Clear coat applied in controlled layering passes. Paint leveling consistent across full panel surface. Panel gap finish within specification. Lower edge coverage remains consistent.
Surface texture reduced through wet sanding.
Panel surface leveling evenly across repair area.
Front fascia finish corrected around vent edges.
Trim and emblem alignment verified. Lug nuts torqued to specification.
Vehicle lowered and wheels seated evenly.
Glass polish complete, reflections clear.
Cabin floor fully cleaned and dried.
Seats installed and aligned within cabin.
Interior surfaces cleaned and verified.
Dashboard alignment matching original fitment.
All controls responding correctly during test. Interior side panels aligned evenly.
Final interior detailing complete.
Badge alignment centered to factory position.
No leaks or loose fittings detected.
Fluid levels verified across all systems.
Positioning vehicle for final surface inspection.
Final exterior condition complete.